Welcome back to my channel. I see your babe MJ. This tutorial class I wan make basket sleeve. Basket sleeve no be small work, but if you ready, make we start. My own sleeve I wan use 20 inches long. So on top this my paper, I go mark the length 20 inches. Then this sleeve wey I wan make no be smart sleeve like that, e go dey free. So on a good day, my round sleeve na 14 inches, but this one I no go use that 14. So I wan increase am, I wan make e dey free. So instead of that 7 wey be my normal round sleeve, I'll add 2 inches for my round sleeve. Then from up like this, I'll mark 4 inches in. I'll connect am to the tip like this to mark my armhole. I'll connect am back to the 9 inches. Then from there, I'll shape am, make it free, go the 20 inches. So I will cut out this part. So now I don't cut out the sleeve. If I open am now like this, it dey unfold. So next thing what I will do is say I need to mark out how I want make the distance of the basket effect dey. So I wan use 1.5 inches wide. So I need to mark 1.5 all the way. Then I go rule am before I come mark am again. So that 1.5 both up and down. And I go connect am with straight lines. Now all the sleeve I need to mark. No be by force to use 1.5. You fit use any other measurement wey please you. So now I don rule out all my 1.5 inch all the way down. Next thing to do, I need to rule another line. Make cross am like this. That one I wan take cross am, I wan use 2 inches. Another person fit decide to use the same 1.5, but for my own, na 2 inches I go use. So that 2 inches like that, I will cross am all the way. 2 inches like this. Once I cross the 2 inches all the way down, then we will come begin use the Ankara. So I don't rule out all my square like that. Next thing what I will do now, I don't cut out my Ankara fabric 1.5 inch wide. Then I will begin lock each of the strands. When I lock them like rope, then I'll iron them well. After the ironing, I'll begin to arrange them on top the lines, straight and across. So may we continue. Top the lines. Just follow the line. The way it's follow straight line. So I don't finish the straight part of the matting. Now I will begin cross out all the lines will go across from the end. So our sleeve matting done complete. Be free to remove the paper now. Our sleeve with that. So see the final look of the sleeve. And we still add stone for extra efficiency. It makes sense, I don't know, makes sense.